Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you are all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and that you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's just remind ourselves of our reading strategies. Don't forget you can use any of these to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle owl and your eagle eye, and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures to help with a clue for a word. And your stretchy snake is when you stretch out the sounds in a word and you go back and say the sound slowly. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Log, g. You have a go for me? Good job, well done, ready? Let's try it all together one more time. Log, g. Fantastic, well done. So the book that we're going to be looking at today is called An Odd Bug. So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. An Odd Bug. In this story we have Max, ant, cat, tiger, wet mud, cobweb and log. I will go in. I will go in as well. Max and ant go in the log. Cat and tiger go in as well. Max steps on a twig. An odd bug jumps out. It's not a bug. It is odd. I am Max. Knock, jock, knock. I am ant. Knock. I am tiger. Knock. I am cat. I am knock. Knock is fun. Now that I've finished reading the book for you, go all the way back to the beginning and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, don't forget you can rewind this video and listen to me read it to you, or down here on Oxford Owl you have the play button. This week for guided reading we are going to be doing something a little bit different. We are going to start off by doing a word search. This is what your word search will look like when you click on the link that I have given you in your portfolio. So you'll do this on the first day, and then on your next 2 days you'll do Kahoot quizzes. So all you need to do is click on the link that I give you and this page will come up. To enter the game, you just need to type in your name and press start. When it is loaded, all you need to do is press start. So this is what your word search will look like. And where do they go? Where do they go, do you think? I think they go to the log. So you find the L and click on log. Then you have to join it up to the clue. Okay, enjoy and have fun.